sorry, but I really have to make to stop these Avatar World videos in July 2024. Let me tell you why. It's because the first time I made an Avatar World video of my kids, it was an intro of it, and then the next one, it was right first day at school one. They all don't get a lot of views. I can't say that word right. I'm so sorry. It has a W at the end or S at the end. I can't say it right. Sorry, guys. So I'll call it views. But it's not called views. I don't know how to say it right. But let me tell you why. It doesn't get a lot of views, but it also, nobody likes them. Well, everyone's Avatar World videos get lots of views and not mine. Oh my goodness, it's making me so sad right now, guys. I need more views. I'm so sad right now, guys. Oh my goodness. Do you think I'm bad? Should I create YouTube? Yes or no? Tell me in the comments. Goodbye.
Ben.
Oh, hi, Ben. Are you laying on the couch? Do you want to be friends?
No.
Why? Oh, you made it! Hi, guys. We're gonna watch Hole. I think it's, I don't know. So, 2 likes, 1 this. I'm going to like that and this. So let's go on watching this. I'm going to press the inside. Just press this. Then I'm going to press the green flag.
I don't know what happened. Fine.
I think that's It's trying again. Oh my god. So guys, it's starting again. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Bye. Let's try again. Guys, I'm Ruby Rose. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. Today, I'm here, and this is my water gun called Maisie Simics. Come on, Maisie, say hi. Oh, hi, I'm Maisie Simics, guys. Please subscribe to Ruby Rose, and also like the video. Oh, yes, Maisie Simics. Okay, guys, I'm going to twist this round. Let's twist round. And now, we're going to find some everything. Okay, this is outside. Teddy! This is my dog called Teddy. And this is my nan called Leslie. Say hi.
Hi.
Oh, okay, guys. If you like my nan, subscribe to me and like the video. Okay, now, guys, this is the living room, and this is Baby Bottle from the Cuphead Show. Do you like it? If you like it, like the video and subscribe. Did you enjoy seeing things? Well, anyways, thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. Bye, guys! Bye-bye!
Thanks for watching this video.